Dubai. What is your connection with the country?
Well, first of all, thank you so much for calling me. The reason I didn't want to go to Dubai is because she shops a lot, and that takes my credit card on the overdrive. So, but having a book like this, I think it's long due. It's a city that is one of my favorite cities around the world for lots of things. I have been there many a time for my shoots. I've shot 3, 4 films there. Uh, I've played a taxi driver, and I've taken rounds of Sheikh Zayed Road, around 500 rounds, with Irfan Khan sitting in the back seat. And the shoot was for 30 days, 30 nights actually. It was a very grilling shoot. So that's one memory of Dubai. And then I've shot for Tum Sa Nahi Dekha. I've shot for Hamari Adhuri Kahani with Vidya last year. There's always something new to do in Dubai, and there's friends, family, and I make trips to Dubai every 6 months. So it's always great. And you know what? For me, Dubai has always been a contrast of two different worlds. There's been the traditional Dubai, and there's of course the modern city, which has the skyscrapers and the huge shopping malls that I try to stay tell my wife to stay clear from. But yeah, it's always great to be there.
So we know that your wife's favorite activity would be shopping. What's the best part about Dubai that you like?
I like the food. I think Dubai is like a melting pot for a lot of different cultures, and that's very evident in the food there. You can get anything, that you would dream of having in a place like Dubai. And of course, I keep kidding about that, but shopping is something that it is a home away from home, because it's not much of a flight, the duration, it's just a couple of hours. And at the same time, if you have to go shopping or, sightseeing, it's the only place in the world where you can go for a desert safari in the day and then go into an indoor skiing ring and have the snow there. So if you actually look at it, Dubai is a place which is, on paper, looks virtually impossible to create. And it's been built in just a matter of a few decades, and it's just commendable.
What is your experience towards, we're going to be launching a book. It's from the Times Group. It's their baby. It's being sponsored by Cox and Kings. You had a similar scenario a couple of months back, and how was that? How did that feel? You are an author per se.
Yeah, it was obviously a very surreal experience. First of all, knowing that I've authored a book, and it's something I'd never imagined would have been possible a couple of years back, because there was not something this personal that I wanted to share till this point, till 2 years back. And when this tragedy happened at home, I just felt that it's something that I should share with the world, because there's so much that people don't know about this disease. And when it invaded my home and my child, I looked up a lot, researched a lot, read a lot of books, and there's so many misconceptions about it that I felt that this should be put forth to the readers out there. And I just hope that it's reached across to, it has become a bestseller, but we, like books, generally you have to push them every month, couple of months. And I like that process, because also I want to get this book out to people who are trying to reduce the probability in their families also of getting the disease. There's a lot that you can do, because you realize now that it's a lifestyle disease. 10% of cancer cases around the world are genetic, and most of the cases are because of stress, the food we eat, sleep deprivation, just basic bad lifestyle habits that are the reasons why people get cancer. So as a caregiver, it's just something that I wanted to do for all those parents, because when we got into the situation, we were lost, and I don't want parents to go through a similar situation of groping in the dark and going through the process of what next, because pediatric cancers are curable. It's heartening to know that 80% of kid cancers can be cured. So that's the message that I wanted to get out. So.
Thank you so much, Imran. We really, really appreciate that. Well, without any further ado, ladies and gentlemen, we'll now move on to the most awaited part. We'll have Imran launch the book for us. We have a wrapped copy for you, Imran. Karan, we have one for you as well. This is to let everybody in the audience know that we have copies of the book at the store. Remember, it's a very special and exclusive travel guide on the buy, and it's by the Times Group. This is our arm of the Times of India, and we're so pleased to have them give us the opportunity right here at Crossword to launch this book. A special, special thank you to our sponsor, Cox & Kings. Can we have a round of applause, everybody? That is Dubai, the Times Group Book and Experience.
Sir, yeah? Yes, Karan sir. Imran bhai, book ke kar. Yes sir. Imran bhai. Sir, yeah? Sir.
All right, thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much. Thank
मेरा बैग सही सलामत है ना होटल
In Publishing English. The Union Ministry of Tourism presented the National Tourism Awards in 2013-14. Oh, we have Mr. Karan here with us. All right, moving on now. Without any further ado, a special...